basically where I'm standing, right here, there's going to be a big bloody hole. So for this big girl needs to go over here. Sorry guys, it's going to be a bit windy at the moment. This is my spot, my reference line. So we'll dig off that reference line, start going this way. Never installed a pool before, so let's give it a go, eh? Righto, so here we go, eh? Get our pink line we're going to work off. We're going to dig this section here down to depth, throw all that dirt here. We've got a bobcat, get that dirt off, do that section, move to here, get this section done. So let's get into it, eh? Let's give this a go. Well, always wondered why my lawn didn't grow real well there. Guess we found out why. Just trying to get this deep end dug because that's the most volume of my dirt. It's a bit of a pain to run the dirt in and out just because of tight access. So just trying to get this deep end dug. I've worked out the grade of my pool. So every 1500 mil is 200 mil. The 200 mil needs to grade upwards. Is 1800 deep end, 1200 the other end, the shallow end. So that gives me a 600 mil grade. So I've worked out that every 1500, boom, I've got a 200 mil grade going up. So pretty much it. So we'll keep, I'll keep digging. As you can see, running through here under the eaves and then out the gate. So it is pretty tight. The last thing I want to do is obviously hit the pool and put a big hole in the side of the pool, and this will all be pointless. So anyway, we'll keep running some dirt. So there she is, all dug, ready for a bit of screed now. So screed all the bottom now. Still got to obviously jackhammer a few rocks, probably about 40-50 mil down. But yeah, pretty stoked. So yeah, next step is to screed all my base, get it to height so we can get this big bad girl on the ground, eh? You beauty. So anyone wants to know how much dirt you end up from digging a swimming pool, here's my corner block. This is how much dirt you end up with. Quite a lot of dirt.